Become an RGB Maestro with iCUE software from Corsair. Corsair iCUE turns your entire setup into a cohesive, fully immersive ecosystem with intuitive control. From RGB lighting and effects, to fan speeds and temperature monitoring for your entire system. All this in a beautiful, simple-to-use interface. Get personal with your system performance. Monitor real-time temperatures and set custom lighting effects to inform you if your temps start to run high, or create automated fan curves to adjust fan speeds. Take your gaming or productivity to the next level with iCUE's powerful device controls and macro engine. Quickly calibrate your mouse to your favorite surface, and tweak your DPI settings to your exact preference. Gain an advantage with easy-to-use macro recording, key remapping, and profile switching tools that make your system adapt to your playstyle, or automate your productivity to work more efficiently. iCUE brings all your lighting together. Fully synchronize the RGB lighting on all your compatible Corsair and partner devices for a setup-wide light show that extends across your space. Just select any of the preset murals effects or create your own using an image, video, system audio, or even your display for truly unique lighting. And if you prefer to carefully craft lighting effects of your own, our powerful editing tools let you dial in the lighting settings for individual RGB zones on compatible devices. Adjust your system's preference and behavior based on your mood or activity with customizable profiles. You can create a quiet profile with simple lighting for focusing on work, or a max performance profile for gaming at high settings with the reactive light show, as well as anything in between. Level up the immersion with iCUE's powerful SDK integration and experience artfully crafted, immersive lighting that's automatically synced to in-game action with partner titles. And with device integrations such as the Elgato Stream Deck plugin, you can put full control of your setup at your fingertips. Corsair iCUE helps your desktop come alive like never before, and we've just scratched the surface of what iCUE is capable of. Learn more for yourself at Corsair.com. Thanks for watching.